In this problem, we're asked to subtract two whole numbers. We will subtract 1,935 from 2,974. We'll subtract the ones, then the tens, then the hundreds, and then the thousands. To begin with, we need to subtract 4 minus 5 ones. But in order to do that, we'll need to borrow a 10 from the 7 tens. Removing 1 10, it leaves us with 6 tens and 10 ones. Adding 10 ones to the 4 ones gives us 14 ones. Doing this enables us to subtract now 14 minus 5, or 9 ones. Now we move to the tens. 6 minus 3 is 3. In the hundreds column, 9 minus 9 is 0. And in the thousands column, 2 minus 1 is 1. So the difference is 1,039.